Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Monday, and I am vlogging today. Right now, Chris is down for a nap, and here's Nicole. Say hi. Hi. And we made some personal-sized pizzas for lunch, and they are in the oven cooking, and when they're done, we will get them out, and it sounds like they just got done. I'm gonna go check the pizzas to see if they look like they are done. And they do look like they're done. I can see the smoking. So I'm gonna turn that off and get my oven mitt.
No! The cat was going by it, Mom. The cat went by the oven.
And then after we eat lunch, I'm gonna have a brownie. And Nicole, if she eats it good, she'll get to have a brownie too.
But I want to eat 5 pieces.
You want me to cut it into 5 pieces? I don't know if I can cut it into 5. I can cut it to 4. 4 or 5?
Yeah, 4 5.
Why is it going on? This is what Nicole's look like when it's cut.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep. Now you can go eat, okay?
Okay,
And this is what my pizza looks like for lunch tonight. And I just took out some ground beef from Round to make dinner for tonight. And I will show you guys what I'm going to make dinner for tonight. And I'm going to go relax and eat some lunch now. Nicole ate all of her lunch. She's just finishing up her last bite, so I'm gonna cut her up a brownie and me up a brownie too. And this is Nicole's brownie, and this is my brownie. And then I'm gonna go and sit and watch Love It or List It. It's right by the bathroom. Love It and List It. I'm gonna sit and watch some Love It or List It. If I don't like it, I'm just gonna watch some YouTube videos. As soon as Nicole is done with her brownie, we are gonna go pull some weeds out and plant some flowers. I probably won't vlog me pulling weeds out and planting the flowers, but I will show you what it looks like when we get it all done. And Nicole's gonna help me pull some weeds and plant the flowers, aren't you, Nicole?
Rosie coming.
What?
Rosie coming.
Who?
Rosie.
Rosie? Who's Rosie?
The plant.
The what?
The roses.
Oh, the flowers are coming up?
Now what? Come on. Come see.
We will show them when we're done, okay?
But I want to right now.
We will when we're done. Go finish your brownie so we can go do it.
Well, I want to eat my
No, come on. Here is Miss Fashion statement.
Look at when it's opening. Look at.
She wants to show you these flowers that I need to get planted today.
One is.
This one's a Gerber daisy. It's my favorite. And then here's some foliage. And this is a lily. I need to get that one planted too. And this one before they die. Then I got Mom's up there.
That is the
And then we got this little welcome flag.
These are not the right.
Okay, guys, so Brian is on his way home, and I am going to start making some dinner. And tonight we are having spaghetti. So here's meat. I hope it's, yeah, it's thawed out better now. Last I checked, it was still frozen.
I don't want that meat.
So we're going to
I don't want meat.
cook up the meat and the noodles and get started. There's a little Miss Pouty.
Oh, you put that
I
down.
want you to sit with a chair.
Well, there's no chair in here. So you can sit on the floor and sit by him. Nicole! Nicole!
Hey, Dad.
What's up, Pop?
You are a butt.
Okay.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, Nicole. You are a butt.
Ah, stop that.
I'll do what I want. Keep walking. Go run.
But I want you to.
Okay, well, don't run then. You're not cool.
Yeah, you won't be in the wall then.
Go run if you want to be in it. Go. You got a straightaway here. Go. This is what a crazy mom looks like.
No.
Turn this way. See, that's what a crazy mom looks like. Run. No, we can't take the straw.
in here because Mommy wants to buy a house. And
yeah.
here.
Hey, Mommy, good job. Maybe we'll be able to afford one. Right? Right, Mommy? Good job? Huh? She wants to be a real estate agent. She's going to be the best, too. She really is.
You think so?
I do. I really do. You're going to buy a house with her. You will. That's how good she's going to be. Sign up for those classes soon.
Hi, Chris.
I'm not going to do it now.
But he's all smiley.
Yeah, but it was cute what he was doing. You're messing it up. Hey, come on.
What was he doing?
Leave him alone. I'll tell you when. You're going to have to push now, Mommy.
Stop crying, Nicole.
I don't want to be.
Okay, we just got back from our walk. I'm gonna get him ready for bed and put him to bed and just relax some with Brian and maybe watch some TV show and clean up a little bit. And that's what I do at night. So I'll check in a little bit.
At night.
Nicole,
You can have your fan on too.
did you have a good walk?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Who taught him that?
Nicole.
Yeah.
Start it. Start it, little man.
Did you have a good walk?
Yep, that's very good.
You have a good walk, Mom?
Yes, I had a good walk.
What about Chris?
Chris can't talk. He didn't even walk. He ride in the stroller.
Chris, did you enjoy our walk? Did you enjoy our walk? He did.
Move, I can see.
Come here, I'll read you a book. I'll read you both a book. Come here, Nicole. Alright, then don't get a book read.
It's not my bedtime.
I didn't say it was. I said I'm going to read a book. The Little Engine That Could.